section. We are here to try something we can probably not make it. So today we're gonna try Twisted Tavern chocolate cookie kit. Can I say it? Yeah, okay. Kit. Got it. Kit. Okay, yeah. Anyway. Okay, cool. So here we have the base of the sides of the, what is this? The side? Oh, see, it's already messing up. I don't know what is this. This is the entrance, I guess? This is supposed to be the roof? And this is the other roof? Exactly. Oh. Okay, hang on. So this is the box, right? Right here. And Josh is helping.
It has to break.
He's gonna, I don't know. Okay.
All of it breaks apart.
All of it. Oh my, no.
Hopefully I'm right.
Hopefully he's not destroying the house. Oh, no.
There we go.
Okay, alright, according to the box.
Yes.
The box. That's what it is. What is it?
I'm so confused.
Did you see what I'm saying?
Okay, something like this, and this is the ceiling. So
That's the ceiling?
yes.
That can't be the ceiling.
That's what it says.
No, it's not.
It is too. It goes like this.
This is not gonna work. Wait.
How? That's not make any sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Is there another one taller?
Let me try it.
Okay, we gotta.
No, wait. No, now it is.
Goes back here, and this one's the front one.
How do you put this on
This.
Oh. Hang on. Yeah.
Okay, wifey.
Yeah, because I'm filming. And as usual, you took over and then you don't let me do it. It's fine. It's okay, do it. It's fine. You
Are you going to help me?
I'm going to.
Then come on over here.
Yes, I'm just gonna make sure that we are on the right spot.
You're so stubborn, so mean. So here's the size.
Okay. So I gotta glue it? This is the glue.
Yes, this is
the glue.
the glue. Oh, maybe I need a little bit more off on that.
You need to rub it off.
I need to cut more off.
Okay. Right! Die up. I never done this because
I'll do one side, you do the other. How's that? Do this side.
I have no coordination. I don't know. It's not warm enough.
It's fine.
Anyway.
It's gonna work. And now this is the lower piece. So, lower piece.
Come on, say again.
This is the lower piece for down here.
Okay.
And it farted.
Okay. Okay.
Now this is the top piece. That goes up here.
Okay.
So,
Oh. This is genius. We don't have that in Brazil.
and that's why you come to America.
That's why you come to America. Ooh, okay. Yes, slowly.
Okay, now
Are
these.
you? I'm kind of confused because it looks like. I don't know.
Okay. So
And
these are
so
the
it's
walls.
like a duplex.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay, got it. It's like edible glue.
Pretty much. Hold it. So these are the.
Oh, okay. Oh, what a mess. Hey, be careful. Be careful. Heavy hands. Bam!
Take that, monster. Okay.
Oh, I think it's missing a piece over here on the top. Don't you think so? Ah.
There.
There you go. And that's what I want.
And we'll make that the chimney.
Is that the chimney?
Yes, the chimney. Why not?
Why not? Why is it missing? Where's it from? Is it chimney? I don't know.
Hold on.
No.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And now we are gonna go
You might wanna
decorate it.
wait.
I wanna
Because we
wait.
have to do this one too, but we
Oh.
need to let it set up.
Yeah, set up for a little. We'll be back in a second. All right, so here is what we come up with.
The damaged house.
The damaged house, yeah. I mean, we're now gonna decorate it. So here we see, and they said this goes. This is first. I don't know. Okay, so now what? This is what. Let me see what it is. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is for the door, right? So. And mind you, we don't have kids. We do this for ourselves. It's just us being stupid. Okay, this is one door. Man, this is terrible. Spending all the thing on the door. Oh no. Okay. And then they said the glue goes on the windows too. So watch. Doesn't go. Pause it. You see? Where's all the thing? Is there anything in it? No. You see? It's terrible. It's so bad. Look at that. You gotta go like that. Okay, let me go film again. Look at that. And then we do the window. Like my friends sing on my birthday. To the wall! To the window! Oh, this is where the chimney is supposed to go. I guess. I don't know. And then this like, I'm confused. Where is the rest? Oh, so this is the other door. So pin the other door. See there? Okay. This is it looks great. See that? I guess. Oh, yeah. Look, you see? I made a smiley face. See that? Look. Look at that. A smiley face. And that side too. Okay.
Show the smiley face over here.
Huh?
Show it over here. Smiley.
Smiley? This or the other side?
Other side.
Ah! Okay, hang on. Final product. Oh my god. Well, somebody's gonna clean the house later. Let me sit down. Oh my god. Yay. There's more on the ground than anything else. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't know. This is...